Hello friends, this is Dr. C here, day 5, Done is Perfect Challenge. Autonomic nervous system, right here. We're gonna start talking about that. And the main thing that we need to know is, in general, the body have 12 systems. We have the cardiovascular system, digestive, endocrine, lymphatic, integumentary. We have the immune system, the one that is super important right now to have very good shape because of the coronavirus or any type of virus. We also have the muscular system, we have the nerve system, the lymphatic system, that is the one that pick up the trash from every chemical process in our body. We also have the muscular system, we talked about that one yesterday, and also we also have the skeletal system, urinary system, reproductive, respiratory, you name it. We have 12 systems in total, okay? I guess I forgot the urinary, but okay. So the point is, every single cell in our body, we have approximately 37 trillion cells, more than even all the human beings that we are here in Earth. So basically, all of this, every single cell is controlled directly by the nervous system. Okay? How that works, how the nervous system have control or should have control of every single cell in our body. It is called the autonomic nervous system. So that nervous system is the one that controls every single cell. How that works. This is the explanation of the autonomic nervous system. Let me explain you this like with a car. An automatic car has the gas pedal and the brake pedal. In our body, we function in the same way, okay? The gas pedal is gonna be composed, in here it's just showing from thoracic number 1, but I have some research that states that from cervical number 6 down until this region, we have direct control for the sympathetic chain ganglia to control the sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is known as the fight or flight. That means we are active. We are like in stress, okay? So when we are in stress, we are loaded with that stress because these nerves are firing up like crazy, okay? The other way is the brake. So this is the gas pedal, this is the brake. The brake is composed mostly, and this is a main nerve. In fact, there are chiropractors that just specify in the upper cervical area. So this nerve is called the vagus nerve. This is not vagus at all. This works too much, works very hard. But that vagus nerve have another origin. So it's not because it's not working or it doesn't work, but it's the vagus means because it's the one that relax and digest and even heal the human body. That vagus is because we rest. It's the one that decreases every single function in our bodies. So that vagus is showing a decrease. So this is the brake pedal. So in that case, let me explain you this way. So these vagus nerve have direct control for the lungs. So in that case, the breathing rate is going to decrease. But at the same time, we also have in the other side the increasing mechanism for the sympathetic nervous system. So if we need, for example, go for a run, so we need to increase the amount of oxygenation that we need. So in that case, the sympathetic nervous system is going to command the lungs to start breathing even more. When we finish that run, so the vagus nerve is gonna come here, it's gonna tell these nerves, hey, you guys, you can relax now because we are not running anymore. The same thing happened with the heart. This is the innervation for increasing heart palpitation. So tachycardia occurs because of this for the sympathetic nervous system. At the same time, we also have, when we finish running or we finish to be increasing our heart rate, we also have the parasympathetic nervous system in the other side to control and decrease that amount of heart rate like that. The same happened with the liver and every single visceral organ and even reproductive system as well across the sacral nerves. Also, studies suggest that from lumbar number 5 we have also this parasympathetic control from here, from this area. Okay, so in that way, the nerves have control of every single visceral and reproductive and all these different functions in our body. What happens when this balance called homeostasis is not present? So what we thought and what we do in chiropractic is we do a spinal check to make sure the nerves are working properly at every single level. So in that case, the sympathetic portion of the nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system that is even controlled for cervical 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these 5 first levels in here in the cervical spine, plus lumbar number 5 and all the sacrum, have direct control over the brake, and that's the one that is most important in some cases for the healing in our bodies. So right now in here, I do have this chart. This chart shows the different levels. This is the sensory portion that I talked about that 2 days ago, the thoracic spine, and this is in the lumbar spine, how we feel, and the different organs that are innervated or controlled directly for these spinal nerves, and the different organs and the possible symptoms if something is affected at that particular level. Okay, for example, we have control in here for thoracic number 6 for the stomach. So the possible symptom probably is going to be stomach issues, maybe a lot of acid or decrease in amount of acid. So all of that, like I said, works like a car with a gas pedal and a brake pedal. If it's too much, it's because probably the gas pedal is stuck or is not working properly, the brake. So for that reason, you need a spinal check from a chiropractor to determine if it's the nervous system, the one that is causing your presentation, your symptoms. We don't focus on the different symptoms. We focus on the right, proper function and alignment of the spinal nerves, of the spinal segments. So, and in that case, we can assure that your nervous system is gonna work at optimal level. Okay, this is Dr. C. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you want that spinal nerve chart, also just send me an email or let us know via inbox, or contact us across Facebook. We have the page is Expressions of Life Chiropractic Center. So we are more than welcome to send you the information, the table. And if you have any other question, we are here for you, okay? So have a great day, guys. And this is Dr. C in day 5 of the Done is Perfect Challenge. Bye-bye.